Have you ever wondered what school was like a long, long time ago? What games did kids play and what did they learn? Let's find out together. Look, here's a big old classroom. The teacher is ringing a shiny bell. Ding, ding! Time for everyone to sit at their wooden desks. Can you see the chalkboard? The teacher writes the letter A on it. A is for apple. All the children say A. A, together. Now, let's look at their books. The pages are made from thick paper. Kids learn to read words like cat, dog, and sun. They practiced writing letters with big, fluffy feathers called quills. It was fun to draw. When it was time for a break, the children went outside. What games did they play? They jumped rope, played tag, and rolled big hoops with sticks. Everyone laughed and ran together. Boys and girls from all over learned and played side by side. At the end of the day, the teacher rang the bell again. Ding ding! School was done. Did you guess what children learned and played in old schools? They learned letters, wrote with quills, and played fun games outside. Auto Shorts made this fun video. Want your own fun videos? Just click the link in the description to get started today.